Nearly 1,000 years ago, a city rose beside the Mississippi River that was larger than London. Tens of thousands of people lived there. Then, within a few generations, it was gone, and no one agreed on why. This was Cahokia. Near modern-day St. Louis, it was North America's first true city, a sprawling metropolis of plazas, farmland, and earthen monuments built entirely by hand. Around 1050 CE, something ignited rapid growth. Historians call it the Big Bang. Populations surged almost overnight, and the city sprawled across 6 square miles. At its heart stood Monk's Mound, a 100-foot earthen pyramid, the largest pre-Columbian structure north of Mexico, built basket load by basket load without wheels or draft animals. Cahokia was stratified and organized. Elite rulers, skilled craftspeople, farmers feeding thousands. Trade goods arrived from as far as the Gulf Coast and the Great Lakes. But Cahokia had a darker side. Mass burials uncovered at Mound 72 include dozens of individuals, some interpreted by archaeologists as sacrificial, though this remains debated. By the 1200s, the city was straining. Deforestation for construction and fuel likely triggered flooding and erosion. A wooden defensive wall was built, evidence, some argue, of rising conflict. Climate data suggests a period of drought and flooding disrupted agriculture. A city this size depended on a fragile surplus, and that surplus began to fail. Population dwindled steadily through the 1300s. By 1400, Cahokia was largely abandoned, not overnight, but the mystery endures because no single cause fully explains the exodus. The Osage, Kaw, and other indigenous nations trace ancestral ties to the Mississippian world Cahokia belonged to. The city's story didn't vanish, even if the city did. Today, the mounds still rise from the Illinois floodplain, silent, enormous, and still asking the question historians can't fully answer. What really made America's first city disappear?